We get a common question often, what is a heat pump? Is it an air conditioner? Is it a furnace? The answer is it's an air conditioner that also heats. And there's many different ways that you can set up a heat pump. It's not just one heat or cooling source. You can see here, this is an air handler. It looks exactly like a furnace and it behaves like a furnace, but it also has cooling capability. So this is a fully electric system. This would go inside of your house. The only difference is it's fully electric. This system is fully electric, no gas required. It does heating and cooling. So essentially what happens is the refrigerant acts as the heating or cooling agent. Because the boiling temperature of refrigerant is different than water, we're able to use the refrigerant to heat and cool your home. And so this system here would be connected to an outdoor unit. This is called a condenser. And within the condenser, you have a compressor, which is essentially the engine of the system. And that engine is going to be pumping refrigerant into the house through pipes into this coil. And down here is your fan, and your fan is going to blow air across this coil. And if it's cooling, the coil is going to be cold. If it's heating, the coil is going to be warm. And it's going to blow air across it, create heat for your home. Very similar to how a furnace and an air conditioner would work, but it does both with the help of the compressor. There are a number of different heat emitters or cooling emitters, which we would call a fan coil or an indoor unit or cassette. This here is a floor-mounted indoor unit. So this would typically be mounted on the floor. It's going to heat or cool. Here we have a ceiling cassette. This is what's called a one-way ceiling cassette. So when we say one way, it blows air one way. These are really sleek. They're aesthetically the most pleasing option for most people when it comes to fan coils. Another common indoor emitter that you'll see is the standard mini split head. So this, again, will be attached to an outdoor unit and it's going to produce heat or cooling. This here is a ducted system. So this would go either in an attic or a ceiling space, and there would be ductwork attached to it with nice heat registers as if you would have on a traditional system. It's pretty much what a heat pump does and all the different ways you can do it.